Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is simple and easy to make. This is the cauliflower omelette. It's delicious, economical, and healthy food. So let's get started. Chop 1 onion and 1/2 cauliflower. Do not include the central hard part. Heat the pan and pour a little vegetable oil. Saute the onion, add the chopped cauliflower, cover the pan and let the content cook for a few minutes. Prepare the other ingredients. In a bowl, beat 3 eggs and add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix them together. Pour the half-cooked cauliflower to the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, finely chopped parsley, a little paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix them together. Heat the pan and oil it. Pour the cauliflower mixture. When the bottom is already brown in color, flip it. Use a plate to flip it. Wait for a few minutes and the omelette is done. The cauliflower omelette is ready.